snow's finally melted enough to be able to get up here and get the log splitter and start splitting. Got my work cut out for me. Let's get to work. Let's see how easy this Predator engine starts. It's the next morning and I had to leave midday to take care of some business and managed to get 3 totes filled with wood. But boy, do I got my work cut out for me. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, and I got another one back there, so that's 12. And I got, I think, 2 pre-positioned back in the woods, that wood I have cut up already back there. So that's what, 14 I think. And I'll have 2 more empty ones down at the house till the end of the burning season. So I got a lot of totes to fill, a little bit at a time. Well, let's see how starting the Predator engine goes this morning after sitting out all night. I'm not a fan of leaving stuff out overnight, but it is what it is. Something came up and I just had to go. So let's see how she starts up. First pull yesterday, it hasn't been started since last year. First, I'm gonna put some gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. Gassed up, ready to go. Let's see how this Predator engine starts after sitting out in below freezing temperatures all night. Choke it, give it some throttle. Ooh. For how cheap these Predator engines are, they are pretty impressive. This log splitter, probably 15 years ago, I mowed a guy's yard all summer for it. Last year I had to put an engine in it, and this year I had to put a new pump on it. But I haven't found a piece of wood this thing won't split. No, it's not the fastest. It's not a Timberwood or Timberwolf or a Easton made, but it gets the job done. The weather got warm, the snow finally melted, and I got back to work. So I did manage to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 4 down there, 11 totes filled with wood this winter. That's more than enough for the house, so I got the bases covered there. But as you can see here, I got all those totes there to fill up. And once work slows down a little bit, I will get the kids and wife and get the rest of these filled. I have probably more wood than than what will fill those totes already cut and laying on the ground. And then so we just need split and fill the totes up. And my goal is to have 2 years worth of wood at all times, just stored up. It works good that way. It's always good to have extra on hand. If someone needs it, we can always be a blessing to them. And you never know if you have an injury or something and you can't cut wood that year or something. So always good to have wood ahead. I'd like to get 3 years, but right now I'm focused on 2 years. And maybe next year I can get another 2 years filled up if the weather cooperates. This year was definitely a challenge to get up in the woods and get wood cut. I could get it cut, but just getting it out of here was the challenge. So hopefully next year will be better. And thanks for watching. Work hard, eat beef.